There she is. So Kyle and I went out fishing on this boat this summer, and middle of the ocean, the motor decided it didn't want to run anymore. Kyle claims it's 100% good to go now. So I guess we're gonna find out tomorrow. Kyle, where are you at? Dude, hold on, get in the light. Dude, does that motor actually run?
I think I'm gonna keep it a secret here.
All right, it is 8:13, Friday, December 6th, and tomorrow morning I'm going out sea duck hunting with this guy.
It's gonna be cold.
Yeah. And another friend of ours, Riley, he's been in some past videos, and it's gonna be cold. It was 16 degrees coming down here. I think it's like 25 out now, but it's gonna drop down first thing before sunrise. But we've only got a couple hours to hunt in the morning because that guy has to work.
Yeah.
Loser. So we're gonna get after him. They'll be flying though. It's gonna be a bit breezy and cold, so we'll get some. Kyle claims, as long as his boat doesn't die. But I'm gonna unpack everything, staying at Kyle's tonight. We're gonna get after him in the morning. We're all set up. It spreads out. Ducks are already landing in it. We got about 20 minutes till legal. My first duck hunt of the year, so pretty excited. And we're hunting sea ducks. Doesn't get much better than that. So, getting the chairs put out in the boat, and hopefully we can start shooting soon.
Nice.
Nice.
Got the female. Got it?
First duck down. Yeah, he is. Going right in. Yeah, we got him, Kyle.
Let's go say boys, swear boys. That boy decoys in person.
Hell yeah. That was sick. Do you get that on GoPro? Me too.
Oh, shoot it. Dang!
I'm warming up. Are you recording? Oh, sweet. Gotta get that.
Nice bird, boys.
Dude, this is not good. I keep jamming. I got him!
Yeah. Let's get him. Let's go.
My gun is a piece of shit!
God, what are you doing?
I'm putting my f***ing gun back together. That's a piece of shit. That's what I'm doing.
What's the problem?
It doesn't shoot. That's a key thing.
Yeah, that's a problem.
So when you buy a gun, you want it to do the shooting part, but this one just had that option not clicked, so they didn't book it out correct.
It'd literally be better off just throwing empty shells at him.
Oh, hello, my friend. Oh, they're gonna hit the boat. Shoot him! Oh!
Trying to warm up.
High speed. Oh, this is juvenile scoter.
Scoter.
Yeah. Nice. Juvenile.
Let's see him.
Oh, I'm just waiting for that beautiful drake come right in, and it's gonna say Johnny right on its forehead. That's it, boys. Look out.
Well, Kyle has to go to work. We got 2 or 3 ducks in the boat.
We got 2 ducks in the boat. We got a dead one, and we got that.
2 ducks in the boat, 1 we gotta go grab, and then we got what we hope is a dead eider over by shore that I shot earlier, but he dove, which they like to do. Got 4 ducks in the boat. Not as many as we'd hoped for, but that's how it goes sometimes. Drawing you cold?
Very. It's only what, 15 degrees out this morning?
Yeah, on the ocean.